Chancellor, the Vice Chancellor, Council members, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Before you is the first chartered and 15th Guild President of Muteesa the First Royal University, none other than Kirabira Simon Richmond. On this momentous occasion, I would like to congratulate our Vice Chancellor upon his inauguration or installation today. He is a man who has made Muteesa the First University soar at the great heights. Is the reason as to why today we have students in big numbers that are going to graduate. He has preserved the core values of Muteesa the First Royal University, the professionalism, the tenacity, respect of culture, unity, and also is that one person who has ensured that education at Muteesa the First University is very different from other institutions. He's the man who has made us the royals of Buganda, very different from the rest, because if you go around, unity is the university. Peace and stability. We've never had any chaos in our university. I think it's up to us for our students are on mark as we talk now. Most of the graduates, they have been working. It's just because of his hard work with his team. Thank you so much, the Vice Chancellor, for the great work we've done for our university. We really appreciate. With those few remarks, allow me end my speech by thanking our lecturers who have done a great job to teach our students, actually to teach us to an extent of some of our friends today. They are receiving, should I say, they're having a first step in the world. And I know they are very ready because you've told them to the fullest. And they are ready to deal or to compete in this competitive work. I remain the Guild President of the First.